I like Saturdays in the rocket summer, blue skies in the morning's air. Oh, I like you, you like me. There's something wrong with this picture. Let's turn it upside down so we can see the insecurities caused by the last 4 years of economic downsizing in the eastern U.S. I like February long with Tilly and the wall, pretty pictures and shirts that are too small for my childlike figure that you're so in love with. I like the autumn's leaves and bright eyes, eternal sunshine of the spotless mind. Stand strong in my favorites of all time, along with you and your technicolor eyes. You say Johnny Cash is your favorite singer, but you never heard